Hi everyone, good evening. Rana Sir is here. Welcome to our Rana Sir educational channel. Today I will talk about a topic whose name is arithmetic progression. Therefore, you concentrate on this live video from starting to end. For developing good concept या good knowledge या improving your knowledge on this topic. Okay student, simultaneously you like this live video, subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friend and students so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay students, so positively I am going to explain next concept of arithmetic progression, that is how to calculate the nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is APCD. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video properly. Okay student, now some instruction point, that is some suggestion point I am going to tell you and you follow it properly. Each and every student has to take one notebook and one pen along with them, and then each and every student has to sit at your location properly and positively, and you have to watch this live video properly for getting good knowledge about arithmetic progression. Okay student, so I am going to explain each and every topic of arithmetic progression in detail, and also we will solve some questions which are based on this arithmetic progression. Okay student, so further I am going to explain the concept of arithmetic progression, that is how to calculate the unit term of arithmetic progression. So first of all I will write one heading. Heading is the title, that is here I have to write the nth term. Nth term, yeah, find the nth term. Nth term of an arithmetic progression, of an AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. So this is the required topic and we have to explain it in detail. Okay student, because before I have already explained about the concept of sequence and also progression in the previous classes, that is also they are defined. I have also defined the concept of arithmetic progression. What is the concept of arithmetic progression already I have described here. Okay, later I will also explain, but here we have to explain the concept of unit term of an arithmetic progression. So how we have to calculate the nth term of an arithmetic progression? First of all I am going to write information. Here I will write one statement. That statement will be such that I will say if A is the first term of an arithmetic progression, and I will also say D is the here I am writing one constant value, that is D is the common difference. Common difference of an arithmetic progression. Here I have to write there in this space. Arithmetic progression arithmetic progression. Here I have assumed A is the first term of an arithmetic progression and B is the common difference of that arithmetic progression या arithmetic progression. Then nth term can be given by the formula 10. Nth term can be given by the formula that nth term is written as an, which is equal to, I have to write properly as an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b, because here I have already explained about the concept of first term and the common difference. In the arithmetic progression, I have already assumed A is the first term of an arithmetic progression and B is the common difference of that arithmetic progression. So any term of that series can be written by a formula, and that series is existing in the arithmetic progression. So that formula can be written by n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay, students. Now further I have to explain one information. If there are nth term are in AP, I will say if there are nth term in an AP, then I will say nth term will be the last term. Nth term is also known as, here I will say also known as, nth term is also known as the last term, known as last term, the last term, last term of an AP. In other words, we can say that here I am saying if there are nth term in AP, then I will say that nth term will be known as last term of an AP. That will be the last term. So this information I will explain with the help of numerical, so you will know very well, because here nth term is given and that nth term is given by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay, student. So I am saying this nth term can be last term. So nth term I have written here, that is last term, and that last term is denoted by small l, and that last term is denoted by, here I have to write, and that last term is denoted by small l. That last term is denoted by small l, and that last term is given by the formula I am going to also write here, because above information I am going to erase, because after erasing I will write the formula for the last term, and that formula for the last term will be the nth term, because here I have told you nth term can be the last nth term can be the last term. So that last term is written by a symbol. That symbol here I am using small l, and the formula for that small l will be as small l, which is known as last term of an AP, and that l will be a plus n minus 1 into b. So this is the formula for the last term of an AP series. AP series या AP sequence. Here I will say AP series. AP series. This AP series या AP sequence has the last term, and that formula is written as N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and Nth term is also written as An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. It means both are same. In other words, we can say that An is equal to here. Okay, students, because this information I have written here in the form of word. If there are nth term in AP, then nth term is also known as last term of an AP. Means nth term is also known as last term of an AP. So that last term is denoted by small f. Here I have denoted here small f, and that formula is given by this way. N is equal to A plus, in the bracket I have written here N minus 1 into D. So nth term is An and last term is N. So An is equal to N. So last term and nth term both are same. Okay, student. Now this concept I am going to explain with the help of numerical. So some numerical I will take from the textbook, and then I will solve, and I will use how we have to calculate the nth term of the given sequence. If sequence is given, first of all I will decide that sequence is available in the form of arithmetic progression or geometric progression or harmonic progression. First I will consider the difference of the two consecutive numbers. If the difference of two consecutive numbers will be same, then I will say that sequence is existing in the arithmetic progression. And if that is available in the arithmetic progression, and in the question it's saying you find the 20 or 25 the term of that series, so I will use this formula for getting the value of N is equal to 25. So last term I can obtain from that, from this formula or this formula. Okay, student. So if you need to calculate nth term of an AP series or AP sequence, so you have to remember this formula, and this is very important because in the exam some question will be asked on this formula. Okay, student. If last term is asking, so last term is also calculated by same formula, because last term is denoted by small m and nth term is denoted by An. Okay, student. Both has same meaning. Okay, student. Now further I am going to explain clear this concept with the help of numerical. Okay, student. So you concentrate on this topic, and I will explain this topic with also numerical. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase it. After erasing it, I will write the numericals from the textbook, and then I will further solve. Okay, student. Now textbook is available. Now I am going to write a question from the textbook. Okay, student. Now here I have to write question. Find the 20th term. Question number 1. Here I am going to consider this is the question number 1 into the class. Find the 20th term. Here I have to written find the 20th term. Find the 20th term of the expression of the sequence that sequence is given in the form of 7, 3, -1, -5, that is given. Now this question is given, and it is not mentioned here, it is not mentioned here. This sequence is and AP are not. Because first of all, we have to decide this sequence is available in the AP or not. If that sequence will be in AP, so I will get its nth term. That is nth term, the value of n is given here 20. So that nth term is written by we are calculated by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So I will calculate the value of first term, that is already available here, and I will also calculate the value of d, that is the common difference, and common difference is obtained by subtracting second term minus first term. In other words, we can say that we will take any two consecutive number and I will take difference of second consecutive number minus first number, second number minus first number, and I will get a value, and that value is the fixed value, and that is the concept of the arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, I have to explain about the concept arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each number can be each and every number can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number except first term, and that fixed number is called the common difference of that arithmetic progression, and also we can say that that common difference can be positive, negative or zero. Okay, so that concept here I have to explain. Now first of all I will write solution. After writing solution I will say here given that that sequence is that I will write that sequence, that is 7, 3, minus 1, 5, and so on. We have to get its 20 term. Here I have to write 20 terms. So before writing 20 terms, I have to explain this sequence is available in arithmetic progression. So I will take two consecutive difference of two consecutive numbers, and after getting the difference of two consecutive numbers and both all difference, all common difference will be same. So I will say this sequence is available in arithmetic progression. So in the case of arithmetic progression, I will write here of that arithmetic progression, that is written as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, where n is given in the portion, that is 20th term, means n is equal to n, the value of n is 20. Now we have to calculate also the first term, that is available 7, and after taking the value of a, and then we will also find the concept of it, that is the common difference. That common difference is obtained by subtracting second term minus first term, that is subtracting first term from the second term, and that value will be the common difference. So the value of a, d and n we will use the in the formula of unit term of the AP series, and then after calculating I will find the 20th term of the given series. Okay students, so this is the procedure, this is the right procedure. We have to follow this procedure for calculating its value, that is for reaching to the destination. Okay students, so we have to apply that concept. So first of all I will assign the value of 7 in A1, value of 3 is A2, value of minus 2 is A2, value of minus 5 is in A4, and after assigning its value, and then I will take the common difference of two consecutive numbers, and after taking the common of two consecutive number, and I will see all common difference will have same value, then I will say that sequence is existing in arithmetic progression, and then I will use the formula for calculating 20th term. Okay student, so after calculating I will substitute here. Okay student, so first of all I am going to assign this value. In A1 I will assign 7, the value 7, and also in A2 I will assign the value 3. So value 3 is assigning here, and then I will write A3, and in A3 I will assign minus. I will assign here minus. Okay student, now similarly I will say A4, in the A4 I will assign the value minus 5, So I will assign here minus 5. Okay, student. So after assigning it, I will take any two consecutive number. I will take this one, yeah, this one, or this one. After taking, I will find its value common difference number. That will be 80 minus a1. So I will calculate its value. A2, the value of A2 is 3, and here I have to put value of A1, that is 7. So after simplification, I will get its value will be minus 4. Its value will be minus 4, because here there are two signs are available. 3 has plus sign and 7 has minus sign. So after subtract, if there will be two signs, so I will subtract from big number minus small number. After subtraction, I will take the sign here. Here sign will be the big number sign. So big number has sign minus 2. Here I will put minus. Okay, student. Similarly, I will calculate the value of b2. That will be a3 minus a2. That will be a3 minus a2. So I will substitute the value of a3, that is a minus 1, and in the formula is a minus, and then I will put the value of a2, which is equal to 3. So after simplify, I will also get minus 1 and minus 3. So both has same sign, both have same sign. So I will put here minus, and then I will add 3 plus 1, 4. So that will be minus 4. So I am checking here the common difference. D1 has also value same 4, and D2 has also same value minus 4. So I will also calculate the value of D3. It will be the value of A4 minus A3. So again I will subtract. I will put the value of A4, which is equal to minus 5. In the formula is written minus, so I will put here minus in the bracket. The value of A3 is minus 1, so I will put here minus 1. Now further I will simplify. I will put here minus 5, and here there are two signs, and both signs are minus. So multiplication of these two minus, it will be plus. So here I will put plus. So minus 4, minus 5 plus 4, that will be minus 4. Okay, student. So according to the information according to the getting the information of D1 and D2, here I will say D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3, and its value is minus 4. It means that each and every two consecutive number has common difference minus 4. It means that given sequence is in AP, given sequence are existing in AP. So I will say given sequence are in AP, so I will get further unit term of that AP series. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase this one for further calculation. If you have any doubt, so you ask me comment, and I will see your comment positively. I will reply the answer of your comment positively. Okay, student. And similarly, you also like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friend and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay, student. And also you subscribe this educational channel for getting new concept which is related to the quadratic matrix. In other words, we can say that the arithmetic progression. In short form, we will say that the AP series. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase for calculating its linear term. So further I am going to erase this one. So here I have to write linear term of the AP series. Linear term of an AP series is AP series AP series is equal to, I will write that AF is equal to, here I have to write A plus, here I have to write AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. So this is the general formula for calculating unit term of that AP series. Because AP series I have proved, because common difference of each two consecutive numbers are same. Okay, student. So here I have to written, I have to write here, I have to write a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b, where a is the first term, n is the nth term, the value of n is given here 20, and b is the common difference. Now, according to the question here, I have to write according to the question. According to the question, I have to write here the value of a is equal to 7. Now, the common difference already I have obtained here, the value of b is equal to -4. I have written here. And the nth term is given, the value of n is given here 20. I have to write there 20. Now, the value of a, b, and n, I have to say this is the equation number 1. Now, I will write a statement. That statement will be such that putting the value of a, b, and n in the equation number 1 for getting 20 term of the given APCD. Okay, student. So that information I have to write here. So further I am going to erase, because these data is available. These data are available. These data are available here. So further I am going to erase these two lines. After erasing, I will further calculate its solution. So now here I am going to write one statement, and that statement will be such that putting the value of a, d, a comma d, and n in equation first we get. Okay, student. So this is the statement here. This is the information we have to use in this equation. Equation number 1 is a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into n. The value of a is 7, and the value of b is -4, and the value of n is 20, which are given here. Okay, student. Now further I am going to use this statement in this equation. So I will write a. The value of n is given 20. So I have to get the value of a 20, which is equal to the value of a is 7. So I have to write here 7. The value of n is 20. So 20 minus 1 I have to write here. Now here I will put the value of common difference, which is -4. Okay, student. Now further zero data I am going to erase, and further I have to simplify over the information. So here I have to write a20, which is equal to 7 plus 20 minus 1, that will be 19 minus 4. Okay, student. So here I have to write 7, and this is plus sign and this is minus sign. So for multiplication of plus and minus will be minus. So 90 for the 76, here I have to write, and here plus value is a value and minus value is a value. So multiplication of plus into minus sign, that will be minus. So now further I will subtract. It. So I will subtract it. Here I will write 16 minus 7, that will be 9. Here will be 6. So here I will put 6, and here will be minus sign, because plus number adds and minus sign. So I will have to put here minus sign. So 820. The value of 820 means 20 term will be minus 69. So this is the answer of the question. This is the answer of the question. Okay, student. So find the 20th term of the sequence 7, 3, -1, -5, and so on. So first of all, here I have to check the given sequence is available in AP series or not. if that given sequence is available in AP series, so I will calculate the common difference of each and every two consecutive number. If given sequence is available in AP, so common difference will be same. So I will say the given sequence is existing in AP series, so I will find the unit term of that AP series by using the formula AN, which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and N is the number of term which is available in AP series, and D is the common difference. So this formula I will use, and after using I will simplify. I have simplified here. After simplifying, I have got the value of 820 means 20th term of the sequence. I have got that value is minus 69. This is the answer of the detailed question. Okay, student. So if you have any issue here, if you have any doubt here, if you have any query, so you ask your query with comment, and I will see your comment positively. I will reply the answer of your comment. Okay, student. Now further, I have to also take another question on this topic for solving. Okay, student. So arithmetic progression is very simple, and each and every student can take easy marks from this topic, because first of all you have to get the value of common difference, and also first term is given there, and number of term is also given there, and you have to use formula. After using the formula, you will get the value of your destination. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing this one, next question I will also solve, so that the concept of unit term will be easy for you. Okay, students. So students who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in people, those students can also solve such type of question, because such types of questions are also available in UP board 10th class UP board book, and also available in CBSE board, that is NCERT books, which are available in NCERT pattern. So both students can solve easily. Okay, students, only language issue that is very easy, because many times you will listen and observe, and you will try to solve, so you can easily understand and you can easily solve. Okay, students, so there is no issue in Hindi language or in English language. Okay, students, later I will also solve each question in Hindi medium, and I will also upload in Hindi session, because real number chapter, that is first chapter, second chapter, that is the polynomial, and third chapter will name each pair of linear equation in two variables, and next chapter, that is the quadratic equation, I have already prepared Hindi medium theory, and also English medium Hindi medium question I have also solved, and I have uploaded, and that is available in my channel, and you will find it in video section. So you go in video section, and you will find all information in Hindi medium, occasional Hindi language. And now this chapter I am explaining, that is the arithmetic progression. Now here I am explaining, but some question I have also prepared and uploaded. You go in video section, and from there you can see and you can easily learn. If you will have any doubts, so you ask, and I will explain. I will resolve your doubt very clearly. Okay, student. So you also like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends, and students, so that they can also update and improve their knowledge on this topic. And simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel. Okay, student. Now further you concentrate on this topic. Yeah, you concentrate on this point, and now I am going to take another question from the textbook. I will solve, and how we have to use the concept of unit term in different way. Okay, student. Now you concentrate on it. Okay, student. Further I am going to erase the written question and its solution for solving another question. Okay, student. So now next question I am going to take from the textbook. So that is also available in this form. Now next question I have to explain. How many terms? This is the question number 2. Here I have to solve. How many terms? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? Here we have to find the unit term. How many terms are there in the sequence? In the sequence. In the sequence. Here I have my sequence. In the sequence. That sequence is written in this format. 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 9, 12, dash. I have to write one triple. Here I have to find right in. So in this question very easy because we have to write the formula for unit term. So here we have to get the value of n. Here in question written how many terms are there, means we have to get the value of n in the sequence. First of all we have to explain the information of sequence. That sequence is existing in AP right now. If that sequence is existing in AP, so I will use the formula for unit term which is available in AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula I will use in given sequence. So in given sequence that unit term is given here, that is 111. So first of all I will write its solution, and after writing its solution I will say given that I will write here that given information are, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, up to unit term is given 111. Okay students, so this is the unit term. Unit term is also known as last term. Already I have spoken with you about an is equal to l. L is the formula which is written as a plus n minus 1 into d, and unit term is also written by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Means an on a, the value of an and the value of n both are same. Okay student, so this is the unit term or last term of the sequence is given. Okay student, so first of all I have to decide the given sequence are existing in AP or not. Okay student, so I will find the common difference of two consecutive numbers. Common difference of each two consecutive number will be same. So I will say that given sequence is existing in AP, and then I will apply the formula for unit term of an AP series. So after applying and after simplifying, we will get the value of n, and which is demanded in the question. Okay student, so according to this way I have to write its unit term. So I will say here A1 I will assign, in A1 I will assign 3, and then I will take the value of A2 which is equal to 6. The value of 6 I will assign in A2, and again I will write A3, and the value of 9 I will assign in also A3. Similarly the value of A4 I will assign 12 in A4. Okay students, so further I will also calculate the value of 0 which is equal to A2 minus a1. So further I will substitute its value. After substituting its value, the value of a2 is 6 and the value of a1 is 3. So after subtracting, I will write here 3. Similarly, I will get the value of a2 which is equal to d2. That is written as a3 minus a2. I will write here the value of a3 minus a2. The value of a3 is written here 9 and the value of a2 is written here 6. So 9 minus 6, that will be 3. So here I am saying I am looking the value of d1 which is equal to d2. It means that the given sequence is available in arithmetic progression. So I will definitely apply the formula for nth term of an AP series, and then I will substitute all information which are available here, and then we will get the value of n, which is the answer of the given question. Okay, students. So according to this way, I will calculate its value. Okay, students. So you concentrate here, and after concentrating here, you have to also imagine how nth term is the value of n is calculated by this formula, because some question can be asked on this formula, and according to this way nth term will be given and we have to find number of terms. Nth term will be given and then we have to find nth term. That nth term can be obtained by this way. Okay, students. So the common difference is available 3. So here I will set its value, because further I will use the value of d which is equal to 3. So for finding number of terms, the comes difference is necessary for calculating the value of n. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase it, and after erasing I will use nth term of ABC. So here I am going to write according to question nth term of an AP is equal to, here I have to write a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I am not knowing how many numbers will be there, so here I have assumed there will be n terms. So here I have assumed. Now after assuming, I will calculate after calculating that expression, that is that formula, and then I will get the value of them. That will be the fixed number which are available in the sequence. Okay, students. So here the value of an is given 101. The value of an is given 101, and the value of a which is given 3, and the value of d already I have obtained, that is written 3. Here the value of d is written 3. Okay, students. So further I will calculate its value. So here I will say this is the formula number 1, and this formula number 1 I will say this is the 1, and I will put the value of an, a, and d in the equation number 1, and after putting its value, this value, after putting this value in the equation number 1, and then after simplify, I will get the value of n, and that value of n is demanded in the question. Because he is saying how many terms are there, how many terms are there. So I will put this value after putting this value, and then I will simplify. After that I will get the value of n, and that value of n is demanded in the question. Okay, student. So I will write here one statement, and that statement you have to use properly. Okay, students. So here I will write putting the values, because there are 3 values. So therefore I am writing here value, putting the values of an, comma a, and d in equation 1, and then we get, here I have to write we get. After putting get its value. Okay, student. So for the above data I am going to delete because I want to solve the question. So I will put here the value of n which is equal to 101. Now the value of a is written here 3. So I will put here in the bracket I will write here minus 1. And the value of this is equal to 3. So I will put here 3. Okay, student, now further I will simplify. After simplify, I will get the value of n, and that is the requirement of the question. So here I will say 101 minus 3 plus here I will write 3 into n minus 1. Okay, students, so this 3 I will take in left hand side. So it will be minus 3 because any term which is coming from the right to left, so its sign will change. If it has plus sign, so it will be minus. If it will have negative sign, so it will be plus. Okay, student, so this information you have to follow in each and every question. Okay, student, now further I am going to write 3 in the bracket n minus 1. So I will substitute here. So 11 minus 3, that will be 8, and here will be 0, and here will be 1, and here I will write 3 into n minus 1. Now further I will also simplify it. This term I will write in left and this term I will put in right. So there will be no change in question. So I will write 3 n minus 1 which is equal to 108. Now again I will say n minus 1 which is equal to 108 divided by 3. Okay, student, further I will divide 108 by 3. So I will put 3 on the 3, 3 is 9, and 3 6 is 18. So here I will say n minus 1 which is equal to 36. Okay, student, so if you are doing very well, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is the arithmetic progression. Each and arithmetic progression, that is also written in short form AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Okay, student, now further you also simultaneously subscribe this education channel. Now further here I am going to write that n which is equal to 36 and plus this value will go in right hand side. It has minus sign, so there will be plus. So 36 plus 1 I will write it 37. So the value of n is 37. In other words, I will say n is equal to 37. So in the given series, the number of terms will be 37. From 3 to 111, there will be 37 terms. So that those 37 terms I have obtained. So this is the number of terms which are available in the given sequence, and that sequence is available in arithmetic progression because I have also checked this sequence is existing in arithmetic progression, that is in arithmetic progression, that is in AP series. In other words, we can say that I have already got the value of common difference of two consecutive numbers. After getting, I have got same common difference. That common difference is equal to 3, and after using the formula for getting unit term of the arithmetic progression, and then I have put there the value of a and common difference. After simplifying, I have got the value of n which is equal to 37. It means that that sequence is containing total number that are 37 number. Okay, student, so according to this way I have completed the solution of the written question. So I have written a question and solution of that is written question I have written got here. Okay student, so each and every student has to follow this concept for calculating unit term of the given sequence. First of all, you have to obtain the sequence. That sequence is available in arithmetic progression, progression या harmonic progression. First of all, you have to decide, because any sequence that is given, so that sequence can be arithmetic progression या geometric progression या harmonic progression, या that sequence is not existing in any three progression. So first of all, you have to decide. After deciding, then you have to calculate the unit term of that arithmetic progression. Okay student, so unit term of an arithmetic progression, that is a available formula, and this formula has each and every student has to remember n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula, and each and every student has to remember it very easy way. Okay student, now also I am going to write how you have to write common difference, the value of common difference which is equal to b minus a, where b is the second term. Here I have to write second term, and a is the first term. Here I have to write first term. So it is important and you have to remember it. So this is the common difference. Common difference is obtained by b minus a. B is the second term and a is the first term. So by using this formula, you have to get common difference, and this is the common difference in short form, or it is written as CE. C stands for common and D stands for difference. Now unit term, you have to obtain that unit term will be an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the unit term of that AP series, the IP sequence, and d is the common difference, and that common difference is obtained by formula b minus a. That is available here. B is 6 and a is 3, so 6 minus 3, that is 3. Already I have used in this question, and after using I have got the number of terms, that is available 37. Okay student, so this is important formula and you have to remember it, and this is available in only arithmetic progression. So here I am writing AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. So according to this way, any question which are based on arithmetic progression, that question can be calculated unit term by this formula. Next topic, I will also explain how to get the sum of 37 terms. If any arithmetic progression is given, so how to get the sum of that unit term? So we can easily obtain by a formula, and that formula I will define further later. Okay student, in next class, that is tomorrow. So always on the same time, that is the 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 past to 8 p.m. I will present with you, and this is the totally free online coaching classes, and you each and every student of the class 10th English medium or Hindi medium, they should attend this class for getting benefit. Okay student, because this is the free online coaching classes, and you have to concentrate on this live video, and you have to get each and every concept of the mathematics subject, which is based on NCERT pattern, that is the class 10th, and it is explained by me positively. Okay student, so you have to concentrate here. Now time I am going to write here, and for me 10 was to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here I have to write 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. That will depend on the solution of the question. If solution question question solution of the question will be fast. It will take more time. So after completing, I will terminate communication with you. Therefore, my minimum time is 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. If question will be long, so it will take more time. So I will preserve with you. I will be presented with you. After solving, so I will disconnect the communication with you. Okay, student. So thank you for watching this live video and also watching, listening and writing all information which are available on the blackboard and also which are spoken by me. Okay, student, on the same time I will meet with you tomorrow on the same time. Time is 10 past to 7 p.m. Always I will be present, and that will be 8 o'clock or 15 minutes past to 8 o'clock. Okay, student. Bye. Thank you. Jai Hind.